So welcome back. In this video, I will be explaining how to create enterprise project structure. So there are two ways to create our enterprise project structure. First one is to by this toolbar menu enterprise. When you will click enterprise, you will see enterprise project structure. You will see it later, but there is another way to how to create open an enterprise project structure. Like this is the icon on the top of the bar menu. If I show it, this is the top bar menu. When you will click it, you will see this is the enterprise project structure bar menu. So I will open this. I will first close it and open it by this above toolbar menu like enterprise. When you will click enterprise, you will see how same symbol with enterprise project structure written. Now we will click this one. This tab will be opened. So we will learn how to create enterprise. In order to create enterprise project structure, we will click this one, new enterprise or new EPS. When we will click this one, this will show you like I want to give the name the enterprise like GHO. GHO will be the enterprise project structure ID. Similarly, GHO complete name, for example, it's a name of a company. I will name it as a GHO company. Okay. First enterprise is created, but I will we will click this one and so I have added the name EPS ID as GHO and EPS name as GSO company. I will click this and shift it up. When you will shift it up, you will see your enterprise added on this above top bar menu. Now I will click this one, responsible manager. Responsible manager mean we will assign the responsible man or any activity which will be responsible for this manager. When so we will click this responsible manager, we will click or these three dots shown above here. When I will click this one, this will demand the all OBS and elements which we have created in the last video. Now we will assign these OBS one by one. Now the OBS is already created. I will assign the responsible element for this GHO company. So the responsible manager for the GSO company is this GSO company, like the OBS element already created. When you will click this one, the GHO company responsible manager will be added. So now we will add another enterprise project structure, like its name is GHOC, like it's a construction department. So we will link the GHO with its ID C and we will press enter. Now I will link the responsible manager same in a same way. So it's a construction department. Now I will assign the responsible manager for this construction department, and so this responsible manager is assigned for this EPS ID. Now we will move it above the enterprise. You can see your enterprise is added over here. After that, we will add another like procurement or another EPS, like I will add with IDP and its name like procurement in this company. When I will click enterprise, I have already created its OBS. I will assign it by clicking it. Now its responsible manager is already added. I will move it above the enterprise. Okay. Now we will add another, like it's a finance department, finance, or I will add its ID as JHO F finance. Then I will assign its enterprise or responsible manager like this one. So its responsible manager is added and we will shift it above. All the information which we are adding in the IPS structure is being shifted over here in the toolbar. Like first we added JHO construction. Our main enterprise is this JHO. Then we added finance, construction, procurement. We can add another one like by clicking add another. We will add like GHO, like we can give it ID2 or we can give its name. So we will assign its responsible manager like human resource management. So its responsible manager is added and we will shift it above. So in this way the main components of an enterprise project structure are added. I will show you by display how to view in a chart. First you will see zoom fit, best fit. So here you can see table view. Here you can check the chart view details of this. When you will zoom in, like you can see each JHO company and its enterprise project structures are already added, like JHO manufacturing, JHO finance. So here you can see the enterprise name. First one is GHO company, GHO2, GHOF, GHOC, GHOP. The main enterprises we have already added with their IDs, human resources, finance, construction, and procurement. So in this way, you can add enterprise project structures in Primavera. The main purpose of this enterprise project structure is to connect the activities of each department in a company. This is the hierarchy of each company linked with its main departments. So that's all from this video. We will see in next video how to more features of Primavera.